Robinhood to launch in UK. In early 2024. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals line on. WP image 138,116 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,362,876 Andrew Neil 90 /300 JPG alt equals width equals 895 height equals 504 SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,362,876 Andrew Neil 90 /300 JPG 300 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,362,876 Andrew Neil 90 /1024x576 JPG 1924 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,362,876 Andrew Neil 90 /768x432 JPG 768 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,362,876 Andrew Neil 90 /19536,864 JPG 19536 wa https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/11/1,701,362,876 Andrew Neil 90 /2048/1152 JPG 2048 with sizes equals max width 895x100 wa 895x/investment platform. Robinhood has plans to launch in the UK as early as the start of 2024, according to CEO Vlad Tenev. New features launching. The intention is for the UK market, Robinhood to be the best place to invest in US stocks and US dollars, and we believe we can fulfill that need better than anyone else, Tenev told Bloomberg's Tom Mackenzie. In an interview with Bloomberg, Tenev announced the company has plans to launch commission-free share trading of US stocks as well as a 5% ADR on invested cash and its 24-hour trading feature within the UK. I think that's particularly useful for consumers here because there's just less overlap between waking hours and US East Coast hours, Tenev said, so that'll just make it a lot more usable and a lot more welcoming for customers to invest here. A global company. Tenev's announcement marks the third time the investment platform has tried to set up shop in the UK. Robinhood was set to launch in the UK in 2020, but the company postponed its plans due to the COVID-19 global pandemic. In 2022, Robinhood purchased the British-based crypto trading app Ziglu before the deal ultimately fell through. The investment platform's expansion into the British market is the long-overdue realization of Tenev's long-term vision for the company. I aspire for Robinhood to be a global company, said Tenev. Beju and I started this company as immigrants and children of immigrants. And so, the idea of making our services available to anyone, anywhere in the world with a smartphone is just the vision I've had in mind since the very beginning, and it starts with the UK. A regulatory framework. When asked whether the fall of FTX and Binance's severe regulatory punishment present an opportunity for Robinhood to acquire market share, Tenev stated, "It's certainly an opportunity." Referencing Binance and FTX, Tenev continued that overall it's good for the industry to have unscrupulous actors weeded out. He also claimed that in order for crypto to be globally accepted, there must be a foundation of regulatory compliance that is integrated more and more into the traditional financial system. His statements echo those made yesterday by U.S. Deputy Treasury Secretary Wally Ademo at the Blockchain Association Policy Summit in D.C. "We have built a regulatory framework that traditional financial firms not only adhere to, but help us to implement," Ademo remarked. "These firms have invested in tools, personnel, and processes that help us identify and capture criminals, terrorists, and others that seek to move money illegally. We need those in the digital asset industry to do the same," Ademo stated. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. SRC equals https://simd co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.